Oh, dearie, dearie me. What will I do? Oh, the plasterer's coming today. Oh, dearie. Well, I need to run another cable. And I need a way of getting my hand inside this wall so I can grab the cable and pull it through. But you see, the plasterer's coming today. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to use some duct tape that I am. Yeah. Also, a cutting device such as this plasterboard saw. You could use your bread knife, but don't tell your better half. What you're going to need? You're going to need some sticky stuff, such as some wood glue. And this one is by Eureka Glues, the name that sticks. Well, allow me to show you how I'm going to create an access hole without adding any woodwork to secure the panel. Also, without any plaster. Let the plasterer deal with that one. You can do it yourself if you want to, and put a bit of scrim round as well. But allow me to show you what I would do. All right. First of all, I need to mark me hole. So, I've got my pencil over here. All right, I'm back and say, there we go. And my box. I'm not editing this video. All right. And I'm going to draw, a line around this box, okay? It could be round if you want. Don't have to be square. And it could be straight if you want. It don't have to be wonky. No. Well, I'm going to grab my little saw, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to saw that hole out. But the thing you need to be aware of, you don't want a perpendicular cut. No. What you'll do is you'll drive it in one corner, like so, at an angle. So that's perpendicular, all right? We want to go at an angle, like so. And I'm going to drive it in like so, right? You realise I'm just putting a hole in my wall just for purposes of video, don't you? Hope you appreciate that. So you make your cut that way, right? And then what you do is you do the same in the opposite direction. On the opposite cut, like so. Oh no, I'm cutting through a wire. Oh dear. Right, and then we come down here like so. Da, 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 da. But remember, we're at about 45 degrees, right? We're going to do the same this way. Da, 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 da. 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 Right, this is where you've got to get a little bit careful. You don't lose your piece in the actual wall. Because, you know, at the moment it's actually quite easy because there's no plasterboard on the other side yet. Anyway, but for you, it might not be the case. So we're going to do the same on the other side. And I'm doing it this way, that way. If I did this a bit hard, but I can actually pop the board out as I go. When I get to the end. Oh, look, I'm stuck. Oh, this is an awkward angle, it is. It's awkward. Like so, okay, I'll pop my board out. All right, I go put my hand with it. And I shake the hand of my neighbour, because it's the welcome homes, you see. You know, at Bovis or a Wimpy, whatever it might be. The walls are so thin, you see, on these modern British houses. Anyway, so you put your hand in there, like so, you grab your wire, you pull it through, you push it through the hole where your wall light is going to be, or whatever it's going to be. I don't know what you're going to have there. Maybe it's a red light for your dungeon. I don't know. Whatever it might be. Then what you need to do, you know what, I put your little piece back. Right, now it will sit deeper in the hole, but that's not a problem, it's a good thing. So it gives the plasterer somewhere to put his plaster, right? So, all we're going to do is literally, right, grab the wood glue, right? See, the thing is, you see, if you had a perpendicular cut, you're going to put something behind here, maybe a piece of wood through or something like that, to actually affix your plasterboard to, right, and the screws and stuff. But not this way. No, 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 no. Simple as it is. You see, this ain't a DIY trick, really. You know, I'm sure professionals wouldn't be doing it this way. But so what? I don't care. Yeah. Criticise me as much as you like. I don't care. Too long in the tooth to care, to be honest. Yeah. I'm a bit overzealous with the glue, but who cares? I don't care. Don't. And what I'm going to do is make sure it's the right way around, that is. Is it the way around? I'll tell you what a big good idea is actually mark the hole first. Right, to put an arrow on so you know what way it goes. Right, and then all we're going to do is grab a long bit of tape on here like that. We just don't want it to fall out, right? The tape is temporary. We're going to peel it off later. But the PVA will soak into the actual plaster of the plasterboard, the gypsum, all right, and then it will be secure. Now, it won't be... If you glued it in with like caulk or something like that, you would be able to make that flush if that bothered you. But this is actually better because what happens is when you come to plastering, it's got somewhere for the plasters to go. You have less of a lump, if you know what I mean. Be less noticeable, you can lose it quite easily. So what you do is you grab your scrim, which I've dropped on the floor. Yeah. You grab your scrim and you apply your scrim to the edges. If you could do it yourself, obviously once this is dry, you can remove the tape. That'll be secure in that hole. You then have to grab your tape like so, your scrim, put a bit there, a bit there, a bit there, a bit there, and then you can just like skim it up and that'll be perfect. It works, you know, and it does. Simple idea, really, isn't it? You can leave the tape if you want to. It's whatever tickles your fancy, I suppose. What are you into? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to beat the old like button to help the channel, you know. And maybe subscribe. Because then you'll get a warm fuzzy feeling in your pocket every time I upload another video. Yeah, that's one idea anyway. Toodaloo. There's other ones as well, so maybe you should subscribe because I'm going to upload some more techniques on how you can gain access into your wall. Or maybe you want to, well, fill a hole where there was a socket. Maybe. Or maybe the chains are bolted to it. And you're about to sell the house. You don't want people to know that you've got a dungeon. The chains. The dominatrix and all that. Oh, I wish.